over-sexualized. Yeah, I am over-sexualized. Into my mind, deep inside there's an nothingness that you will find. Always the same, underneath the skin. I'm searching for a name. Morality's dead, as I'm feeling the hate all crumbling above my head. Falling from grace, temptations